Hi, I'm Pete, and this is an Olivér Stickers unboxing. Well, it turns out that Olivér makes more than just stickers. Olivér also makes puzzles, and I first saw this on I believe it was a private video. It was a link in my timeline on Facebook, and the designer was introducing this interesting puzzle. So this was a collaboration between this puzzle designer and Olivér, and once I open it up, you'll kind of see. Now I gotta be careful because I don't want to hurt anything, so I'm just gonna go very gingerly here. This puzzle, I know Olivér is based in Hungary, but this puzzle was shipped from, according to the tracking, from the Netherlands. So I don't quite know what that's about. This puzzle took a little longer to get to me than it really should have, because we're having some labor problems in our postal system here in Canada, and it was basically stuck in the mail system for an extra 8 or 10 days after it arrived in Canada and cleared Canada Customs. Anyway, it's here now, and I'm just happy to have it. So there we go. There's the contents of this. It's not even a box, it's a bubble envelope. I'm perfectly fine for this type of puzzle. Alright, let me take a look at the paperwork. Yep, indeed. Paperwork in there. And let's just take this out and see what I got. Okay, that says up. Very good. Empty bubble. Oh, not empty. There you go, Olivér sticker. So this is where I got it. If you want one of these, Olivér's, that's where you go. Olivér, of course, makes really good stickers too. So I've been getting those for many years. Okay, I put my knife away. I'm gonna see if I can. Okay, well, there's a warning on the package, but hopefully I can't really. Oh, it says okay. Well, you know what? I don't think that's for me anyway. All right, there we go. So that is well, that was kind of a cool way to package that. So this is a puzzle designed by Greg from Greg's Puzzles and Olivér, and it's called, there it is, Hexagonal Nightmare. And I see that this puzzle, it's I'm a little nervous about turning it over. I want to show you the back of this. It should have some engraving on it. Yes, there you go. So there are the two logos. So there's Greg's Puzzles and there's Olivér Stickers. So this is really cool, and just to see this collaboration really is very exciting, because I'm sure this is just the beginning. So Greg was asked to make a very hard puzzle that could be laser etched, and this is the result. So these are all hexagons that he designed sort of on a hexagonal grid, but what he did was he changed some of the dimensions of the hexagons, and the net result here is a packing puzzle that should be very difficult to solve, because each one of these hexagons is different and unique. It's going to be very difficult to even establish an edge, and there are even gaps in the puzzle. So it's a really neat concept. It really appealed to me when I saw it. Now this puzzle is offered in wood and also acrylic. There's an acrylic version of it, and I think a smaller wood version. I would have to. You want to check on the website. I think they offer smaller versions of it as well, for a little less money. It might be a little more portable. One of the reasons why I picked the wood, just because it sort of matches the other puzzles that I have, but I think it is just a little easier to solve. If you really get stuck, you can always start looking at the wood grain, at least to see the direction of the pieces, which direction they go. It gives you a little bit of clue, some clues. They are loose, so they're not. Wow, Okay, so I want to remember how this went in, because this could be, I don't want to scramble it already. So it is different on the back, so that's another thing. At least with the wood, you have a chance to, you only have one side to look at, whereas the acrylic, you may not be able to tell one side from the other. Makes it very difficult. So that's the puzzle. I don't want to drop it. It's just a little frame here. Not a gigantic puzzle. Just a nice sort of thing. If I found some way to cover it, I could probably move it, like make it portable. But until I do that, I don't think I really want to take it anywhere. I'll just solve it at my desk here. So I'm just going to try and take out one of these hexagons and see what I can do. What I have here, this is just a palette knife. It's made of metal, so it's got a very thin edge on it. Not going to hurt anything. So that's one of the hexagons right there. There it is. Just very light, and I'm fine. So this, so that goes in there, but it doesn't really go in any other way. And okay, well, I may have, did I flip that upside down? Okay, so this one looks to be symmetrical. So that is interesting. I guess, are they all symmetrical? Now I'm going to have a look. Yeah, you can see one here that's definitely not symmetrical. So that was an interesting discovery there. So it might be possible. Also, it might be possible to put some in really where they don't belong. This is going to be really a fun challenge once I dump it out and start playing with it. Alright, well, that was my puzzle from Olivér stickers. I am on a bit of a packing puzzle kick now. It doesn't mean that I've abandoned my mechanical puzzles. I just like new challenges every once in a while, and there's a lot of good packing puzzles out there. So before I go, if you have any strategies for solving packing puzzles, I'd love to hear your ideas. I'm pretty new at it. I'd always like to hear how other people solve things and learn from that. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any strategies for solving these packing puzzles that you'd like to pass along to us. And in the meantime, I appreciate any other comments or questions you have. And until next time, thanks for watching.